Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to change the text-to-speech voice. For this we want to create a post on TikTok, so tap on the plus icon mid in the bottom, tap on upload, tap on the picture that I want to upload and then do next. From here I remove the audio and I tap on the double A option. From here I want to create the text that my voice will say for this picture. So this is my awesome pen. Then do done. Then tap on the text and then do text to speech.
This
but guys,
is my awesome
I need
pen.
to tell you something, because the option to change this voice has been removed. So you can't change the voice over his voice. So hopefully if you find this helpful to know this, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. Sorry for saying you this, but I'm honest with you, so hopefully you will accept it. And thanks for watching.